Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to my diary. There was a time in my life when I was just a student, waking up early, walking to class, sitting quietly on benches, listening to lectures, and coming back home feeling tired but hopeful. My days were simple, almost invisible. Somewhere in between all that, I had a crush I never spoke to, just watched quietly from a distance. Then December came, and Christmas lights filled the streets while everyone talked about gifts and celebrations. I wanted to give her a gift too. Nothing big, just something honest, but I didn't have much money. So I started saving a little every day, skipping snacks and walking instead of taking the bus. One day, I saw her receive a big gift from someone with a red car, and yeah, for a moment, I felt small. But that moment stayed with me. It taught me that money was never about impressing anyone. It was about discipline, awareness, and learning to invest in myself. That chapter of my life feels far away now, but the lesson stayed. And if any part of this feels like your story too, you're not alone. Subscribe to see more pages from my diary. This was just one chapter.